A lot of people have been having several issues about inputting their daily Cipher Morse code to claim their 1 million daily points. I understand how painful it can be when you couldn't get your 1 million daily token because you couldn't complete the task that will reward you this token. So if your Cipher code is not appearing when you tap, if you are making mistake when entering the code, or your letter do disappear before you finish typing the code, then this video is for you. I will explain how you can simply solve these problems in this video so that you can always claim your 1 million daily points without any issues. Before we proceed, can you like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you will not miss out on important videos like this one. It doesn't hurt to click the like button, so please do that right away. Thank you. Without any delay, let's get straight to the point. If you notice that you've not been able to enter your daily Cipher Morse code, if you are tapping and it's just adding to your points without showing any alphabet, that means that you have not clicked on the daily Cipher section to activate it. This is very important because it is when you click on the daily Cipher section, that is when you can now successfully enter your daily Cipher Morse code. So without clicking on this daily Cipher section, if you are tapping and tapping, it will just keep adding to your point. But once you activate your daily Cipher section space, then you will now be able to tap and it will now show alphabet for you to enter the code that you want to enter. I think you get that right now. If you have been making mistake when entering your daily Cipher Morse code, that means that you have not been patient enough. To avoid mistake when tapping your daily Cipher Morse code, you have to master how to do the short tap and how to do the long tap. So to do the short tap, you just have to tap normally like you're mining for your daily points. Like the normal tap you do, it's very short. So for the long tap, you have to tap and hold on to it for about 2 to 3 seconds so that you can get like this hyphen symbol. So if you master this, to enter your daily Cipher Morse code will be very easy for you. So if your letter do disappear when you are tapping your daily Cipher Morse code, that means that you are not fast enough. You see, to enter this daily Cipher Morse code, you just have to study it. It is not that difficult. You don't have to be too fast and you don't have to be too slow. So I will show you how to successfully activate and enter your daily Cipher Morse code in this video right away. So this Hamster profile is actually created for this purpose so that I can explain to you how you can properly enter your daily Cipher Morse code. And if you want to enter your daily Cipher Morse code, the first thing you have to do is to click on daily Cipher up here. You have to click on it. You have to click on it. So once you click on it and it activates, then you will see that it's going to change from this blue color to this red color. You're going to have a red background for your hamster. So that is when you know that, okay, it has activated. But if it is like this, if it is just like this, and you are trying to enter the code, it will only be adding to your tokens. So now let's even try it. Now, if I want to enter anything right now, it's just going to be adding to my tokens because it's just as if I'm mining because the bot doesn't realize that I wanted to enter my daily Cipher code. But once I click on daily Cipher right here, it will change to red. Now, I will now be able to enter the code I want to enter. I hope you get that right now. So you must make sure that you have the red background around your hamster before you start tapping your code. So right now I'm going to enter the code that is showing on your screen right now so that I can use that as an example for you. So there's another thing you also have to understand. You have to know the difference between the short tap and the long tap. So for the short tap is just as if you are mining normally, like the normal way you tap. Yes, that is the short tap. You just do it like this. It's the short tap. So for the long tap, you have to tap and hold on a little bit. So once I remove my hand, you will see that hyphen that is showing right now. So that is for the long tap. So right now I'm going to enter this daily Cipher code. So follow along so that you can know how you can properly enter your own daily Cipher code. So right now the first letter we want to enter is the S. So to enter the S, you have to do the short tap 3 times. So I said it the other time that your short tap is just as if you are mining, just like the normal way you mine. So let's enter the short tap 3 times to enter our S. Short tap, short tap, short tap. So as you can see right now, we have the S. So now to enter the T, we have to do the long tap. So let's do the long tap. So I'm going to tap right now. I'm going to hold on for like 2 to 3 seconds. So let's do that right away. 1, 2. So right now you can see that we have the T. I think you get what I'm trying to do right now. So now to enter the A, we have to do a short tap and a long tap. So let's do that right away. Short tap, long tap. So right now we have the A. Now to have the K, we have to do a long tap, a short tap, and a long tap. So for long tap, you're going to tap and hold on a little bit. Long tap, short tap, long tap. So right now we have the K. And for the E, it's just a single short tap. So the short tap is just like you do your daily mining, like when you're accumulating your coin. short tap. So right now we have stake. So to enter your daily cipher code is as easy as that. And the next thing you just have to do is to click on take the price. So that will be all for now. See you in the next video.